Come here, baby. Come here. Come here. Come here, Sassy. Look at the walking boy. Hi. Come here. There's Milo's car. Hey. Oh, the baby. Let's see. Come here. Let's see your shirt. Here, hold on. Stand up. Stand up. Cow tipper in training. Oh, here you go, brat. Say I love you, Grandma and Grandpa. Kisses? Kisses? Oh, that's nice. Walk some more. He likes to look out the window. Kisses. Mwah.